Patient notes. The system allows you to create, manage, and navigate patient notes easily, ensuring that all clinical observations and updates are properly recorded. Taking patient notes. To create a note, click the New Note button. This opens a rich text editor, similar to the editors you may already be familiar with in applications like Microsoft Word. The editor allows you to format text and align content, create lists and structured notes, insert links, undo and redo changes, apply different formatting styles. When adding a new note, make sure to give the note a clear title so it can be easily identified later. You can also create notes using predefined templates, which helps maintain consistent documentation across the hospital. The system automatically records who created the note and when it was created, ensuring full traceability.